Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 25th August 2025, Monday, Avani Masam 9th, Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Varsha Ridho, Avani Masam, that is Simha Masam, Shukla Paksham Thidi, up to 1:18 p.m. Didiyai, then Tridiyai, Monday, that is Somavasaram, Nakshatram Uttiram. Today's Rahukalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Gulligakalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Today's good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today's sunrise at 6:07 a.m. Chandrashtamam up to 9:58 a.m. Makara Rashi, then Kumbha Rashi. Shulam East. Prayachittam Karg.